Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is reaching out to her supporters, the people that support her. And she would like for you guys to contribute to her, in assisting her to get to her friend's funeral that will happen on Valentine's Day. Marcy is asking for your assistance to help her to get to Aruba. That's where her friend is, Nadim. She will be buried in Aruba. And she said that the trip is a costly trip. So it would have been fare and accommodation for the funeral. So she's asking for you guys' assistance. So if there's anyone out there that is able to assist Marcia, her number will be on the thumbnail. So you will be able to find that information. I'll have it somewhere here as well, her phone number, so you could reach out to her and find out how you'll be able to donate to her to go and see her friend for the last time. I implore you, anyone that is able to assist her, I implore you to assist so that she'll be able to say her goodbyes. As you know, Marcia is currently living in an hotel, and she said that she is budget out, so she's just asking for the assistance so that she could go to her friends. And if it was a longer time period, say 2 weeks or so, she would have been able to do it. But right now, she's not able to. So she's asking for you, for our assistance. Please reach out to her and assist anyone that can assist. And guys, I know that we are a loving people. We're able to do it. Let's help in any way we can. Now, you guys have a wonderful day.
Out to my lovely supporters for assistance to go to my friend's funeral in Aruba. It's very expensive, and at this present moment, in my budget to go, because this was unexpected. Where she lives, they cannot keep her for no more than 5 days. So the family is going to bury her on Valentine's Day. I am hoping to fly out with the help of my lovely supporters on Monday the latest, so I can attend the whole proceeding and also to assist them in doing something to help that will make me feel better during this time. So I want to be there to assist the family in whatever I can help them, because she was a good friend to me. She wasn't no friend. She was a sister to me. You understand? She was a sister to me. So, let us focus. Let us focus. And nobody send me no messages about what no bloggers. I know what they're going to say. They will get over it. It will be a 9-day talk and then get over it. Because when they talk about me with money, trust me, me have me come back to tell them about money too. If you're asking for money. And money we don't even donate it to. We not even give out. So let me tell you something. Let's focus on helping Marcia, who come out here every day for over 15 years. Going to 16 years. I entertain them. Because Facebook tell me that. Because this morning again, Facebook share me and my cousin, Bridget. How long we been friends? So me did a long time. So I never come out here and ask nothing. You know how situation is. And I have all these supporters that watch me up here. And one cocoa full basket. I may never come out and ask if you're not like this before. But this is very important to me. And we're not going to focus on locust, boy. We're going to focus on the fact that I come out here, regardless of my cuss or not, and give a joke, talk to and keeping a company up. It shouldn't hesitate to make it possible for me to do what I got to do. And there ain't no shame in this game. I need assistance to go on this trip. Anybody wants to get the hotel for me, no problem. God will bless you. Anybody want to get a ticket, no problem. God will bless you. But that is what I came out here for. And I would like to leave on Monday. Monday morning. I would like to get out of here. And I want to leave from Bradley International Airport. I know I probably have to go to Miami and then Miami to Aruba. That's where I'm leaving from. 3 days. Monday, come back Thursday. As I said before, if it was going to be the end of the month or in March, I wouldn't have to come and ask for anything. Because make me know what me have for a woman I have, what I can afford and how my money is. But since I wasn't prepared for this type of, what you call this now? What you call this now? Sudden. So, what you call it? Sudden. What you call it? How the word may look for it now? What the word may look for? Sudden. How you call it? I look for the right word. I'm looking for the right word. Cause I never expect it so quick. They you know every different Caribbean, I guess, because it's a small place. Because when Nadine have to go doctor, Nadine have to go all the way to Colombia. Pick a doctor. Cause she want the best doctor. So you should know if because every time she go doctor, she left from the country. She not got a doctor there. She go to Colombia and got a doctor. But not even call it tragedy, you know, to tell you the truth, you know. Yes. That is what it is. Me I want them when I booking. Sudden death. Boy, I don't know if you call it, if a sudden death or sudden death, not you know. I don't know. I don't know if a sudden death or sudden death. But yes, sudden, how you call it? Sudden, no, I know that me look for. That's not the word. That's not is the word. I'm looking for a different word. That's not the word. This one, me not even can find the word to tell you the truth. I can't even find the word. I can't even find the word. So anybody wants the help? Anybody wants the help? The cash app is there. Untimely death. Exactly, Denise. Untimely death. That's exactly. Perfect word. Untimely death. That's what it is. Untimely death. The perfect word. Untimely death. And as I said before, this is one funeral. You know what I'm eating? Honey. That's what I'm taking out of this package. Something to sweet up my mouth. Cause there's a untimely death. So I'm hoping that you guys will come true for me. I am hoping that you guys will come true for me. So don't hesitate to come and help Marcia. And give from your heart. Give from your heart As Halliburton say, give generously. This is the perfect time to sow a seed in Marcia's life. My birthday is around the corner. God said to give, and you will receive. Sow a seed in Marcia's life. Me say, if I could have just catch some of them people and give them a rotted box in their face, you see. I look up in another one of my video, you know. Me say somebody type, 99 is going to give you a stroke one of these days. Me say, if I could have catch them people and just... No, sir. I look up, you know, under one of my video, you know. Me say, if I could have just catch, you know. Me say, I would have some steel piece of weight for, you know. Me say, I would have drenched, you know, with it. We could put some sense in our mouth. Me say, one piece of drop kick. No, sir. Me say, every time I look up at it, I come in there under my video. Me say, nothing sweet, me so. When me catch them, me just block them. Make them keep on writing. You know what blocking me do from morning? No, sir. Me just glad. So, because of this untimely death, I have to come and seek. It said, seek and you shall find, and knock and the door shall be open. So, I am here to seek help in assisting me to go to my friend funeral. And that's not too much. If you don't know what a good friend to know, I want to come out here and I love Marcia ever bless. For the 2-3 hours, I expect you to love me from my heart. But if you don't love me from 3-4 hours, I may sit down by you 15 years or 16 years. Yes, man, you must come through for me. Everybody else. No. Don't, no. No. Don't you think it's best to ask your brothers and sisters to help you? To help the internet don't have anything to say. Just suggestion. Then how you know so they not help? Yeah? This is my platform where I've been all my life. Over 15 years or 16 years on here. The amount of time that I give these people on social media, I mean, I give my brother and sister. Sometimes I talk to my brothers and sisters them in months and days. And these people are entertained by Marcia. These are the people that keep my company. So this don't have nothing. My sister give me, forgive me. When me ready and me want something to pay my bills, where I'm staying, I may call my sister send me money. So my sister this don't have nothing to do with family. You understand? My sister them is always there for me. Believe me or not, I'm in her life. If me call my sister them right now and tell me say and call her on Facebook people. That's why sometimes they don't even bother calling me. Me sit right here. You see when people are calling me, the phone cut off. Me sit right here. Tell me if you can't hear me. Me sit on this page 24/7. 7 days a week and 365 days a year I entertain, you know. Hours a night until 3-4 o'clock in the morning. For all these years, non-stop until Facebook cut me off. If my baby father complain all the time, me never can get you yet because me not answer the phone. My sister them don't even bother with me. Me no answer the phone until me come off. Remember one time me have somebody die. Me never even hear. When they call me to tell me because I wasn't live and they were calling to tell me some mother did. I me never cut off until when me finish. Me not even did know. They said I was calling to tell you. And I sit down here 7 days a week. 365 days a year until Facebook cut me off. You go tell me, said, I want to come here and tell about sisters and brother when me give you all my time? All these years? Uno should not hesitate. Me should collect about $10,000 right now to $20,000. Uno shouldn't hesitate to give me nothing, to give me something, to hesitate to give me. I should collect at least 20 grand. From me come out here and say me want help. Uno should just dash it out without a warning. Because I don't come out here and give nothing. And all my life I've been giving. What about all how much years when I sat on this page and people call me from the east, west, north, and south till Western Union block me as a 20 years some person and then block me? Who give all the real talking out here and give everything? It's Marcia. I should not have come out here and I should have just called me and said, Marcia, here's a 500, here's a 400. Go to your friend's funeral. I should not have come out here and debate. I have given all to Facebook. And even when people cuss me, I stand up strong the same way and defend myself. Even when nobody don't defend me. So if I come out here and ask to go to my friend's funeral, one shouldn't hesitate to help me. Because I don't come out and ask for nothing. I try to do everything for myself. So when I come out here and I ask for something, one shouldn't hesitate to give it to me. Because that means it's important. It shouldn't be an issue. Because I've given all my life. All these years. Not 5, not 10, 15, 16 years. As a single black woman, I stand here strong every day. And I have to struggle with these demons out here. Who put me down. And I don't have nobody to help me but God himself. So if I come out here and I ask you guys for some help to go to my friend's funeral, it shouldn't be a problem. I don't care if they want to talk about me. But I give it all to them. Even when they want to pit me and call me, only CG alone and Romy come before for. I give it to you all out here. And me don't come out here asking for nothing. Me only come out here and ask for things to give to people, not for myself. All I said to bless me up. So what is the big issue? What is the big issue? I tell you that I would love to go to my friend's funeral. What is the big issue? Don't I come out here 7 days a week? I give on a dancing and all kind of stuff. One are very wicked. And he even set of people out here. One are just trying to put people down, not going to put me down. He said, ask and it shall receive. I don't force anybody. All I ask for a little assistance. That's all. It shouldn't be an issue. One don't have no heart. Every time people come out here and try to do something, or try to block people blessing, talking about family. I don't give my family the attention that you guys, I can't even last me call my sisters them. Only the one in Pennsylvania. It's only this morning. I give it all to them. Because all these years, I don't know out here. My sister them is too judgmental and criticize. Them too highty-tighty, they always criticizing me. When I come out here, make me get love. Me can be myself. I can't be myself around my sisters them because they're very judgmental. You understand? There are some highty-tighty people. They know them want the best for me, but I want to be myself. 7 sisters, 7 different minds. So who know the one, all these years, I've come here, I can be myself. I can be like Curly. I can cuss, I can do whatever. I can speak the way I want to. You guys don't really judge me. Then what the hell? So what if I come out and I ask? What do I never come here and ask that I want to pay my bills. I never come out here and ask to buy clothes and shoes. I said I would like assistance to help me to go to my friend's funeral because it is sudden. If it was next month or the end of the month, I could. That's what I'm saying. Only don't look at the fact, regardless or not, if me cuss or not, me still give them. I still give them. I'm not crying because I'm crying because of my friend. It's very emotional. I'm put on my pride for come out here and ask because I know so